Maint Adams Overlook offers breathtaking aerial views of the city skyline, perched above a picturesque, hilly neighborhood. From this elevated spot, you'll experience a distinctive perspective on urban architecture, with rolling hills providing a dramatic frame. The clear sightlines make it an ideal location for capturing unique and memorable images of the city. Before launching your drone from Maint Adams Overlook, it's important to understand and follow local regulations. Registration and permits may be required, particularly for commercial flights, and certain airspace restrictions apply near sensitive areas. Always keep your drone within visual line of sight, adhere to altitude limits, and respect the privacy of others. By conducting thorough pre-flight checks and monitoring weather conditions, you ensure safe and responsible operation. As evening approaches, the city transforms, and Karoo Tower stands out, brilliantly illuminated against the skyline. For a striking aerial composition, fly your drone so the river sweeps gracefully through the foreground, leading the viewer's eye toward the glowing tower. This technique highlights the contrast between the vibrant city lights and the natural curves of the landscape, resulting in a captivating image.